Greetings from the video, apologies. This is my winter bike, it's not clean and it's quite noisy, so yeah. I thought I would share with you today I'm really sorry about the noise. My sprint is terrible and I thought I would try and improve it. So I am taking part in Zwift Academy. Zwift Academy is basically 8 weeks on Zwift, which is like structured training workouts, and there's races, social rides, and it is just for fun, but there's also the opportunity of getting a pro contract. So yeah, it starts October 1st to the 25th of November. So this is the second workout and I've been putting it off because it's a sprint and I'm just so bad at it. So I just thought it might be quite fun just to, you can watch me suffer. But honestly, even if you just wanted to have it, I think for me it's good motivation because I normally get like coach sessions. In October I've had none. It's just kind of a time just to like, just relax a little bit. But I was like, no, I've got to do Zwift Academy. I've never done it before. There's also race as well. I've not done a race yet. If you want to watch me live stream a live race, let me know and I'll do that. So they were my pretty poor sprint efforts, but I really enjoyed it. And also another thing that I really like is when you're actually doing these sessions, you see all that little confetti's going off on the side, so you can see people getting PRs and stuff. So yeah, it's just really good fun. So yeah, it's until the 25th of November, and I'm hopefully I'm aiming to do all of them. So yeah, I might do a race actually. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you next video. Oh God, I hate sprints. Give me an Everest, give me a long steady climb any day over short bursts. I'm just terrible at it. Okay, see you later on.